Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, September 7th. Time is around 5:20 GMT and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform. So everything is unfolding according to the plan. For now, like my primary scenario was a WXY here as a wave 2, and so we nicely reacted here from this area after two corrective legs. We are seeing more downsides now. So if you are short from here, you should already be risk free and also already have some nice profits. So yeah, I believe this here will soon end. I mean, like the first leg will soon end. Normally, we should have then some kind of push to the upside, and then again more downside. We will have a look at this in a minute. We still have our downward cycle here, which is still respected. So this all looks good for for more downside. There might be an alternative scenario that we get, like for now, this corrective structure here to the upside, this wave X, was a quite simple one. Like I have it here on the 1 hour. It was another WXY correction consisting of two ABCs. We reacted nicely here from the equal leg area. So in that sense, it was quite a simple correction, or easy to forecast correction. Here the surprise might be that we get something more complicated. So when we start to move up again, that we take out this high here, then this scenario here in green, the primary scenario, would be invalidated, because that would mean that we are making a more complex corrective structure here, and then we will probably end up with a flat structure as an ABC, as an flat structure, and then the first leg here is in 3, 1, 2, 3. Then something more complex as a wave B. We also go higher. We go beyond this. We can even go beyond this high here as an expanded flat, and then we see more downside as a wave C. But for now, it looks like the WXY is playing out. So I will just stick with this scenario. So let's continue with the WXY correction here. So at some point, we should have a wave. We should finish a wave A, then get a wave B, and then get a wave C. Like from a distribution point of view, this looks, it can be, but it looks too short to be our wave A, because ideally we go into this area and even into this area. So we still have to we still have some distance here to travel. So from that perspective, it is unlikely that this would be the wave A. So I think this here is just the wave 1 of a wave A. So then we would have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave A, then B up, and then C down. However, like it can be enough to take out like our wave Y. As soon as we take out this low here, this low, then our wave Y could actually be in this. This can be enough to have a WXY correction. So if this happens, then we can have here a short wave A, B, C down. So yeah, it's a matter of waiting for more data and seeing what exactly will play out. but yeah, for now I would stick with our target areas. There is nothing. So this is the normal way to do it. This becomes your target, and there is not really a reason to assume that we will have a short Y leg here. It can happen. It can always happen, but yeah, I never make this my primary scenario. If it happens, it happens. It is what it is. So let's have a look now at the 1 hour. Yeah, so we are seeing downside from here. Nice reaction to the downside, and now yeah, we are kind of yeah. What I expect is that this structure here to the downside ends soon, although we do not really have like this can be our wave 4 here. So what we have done is 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we need another leg down with divergence. So then yeah, then this structure might be complete. So a completed impulse structure to the downside, and then I would expect some upside as a wave. Yeah, as a wave 2. So then this is our wave 1, then a wave 2 to the upside, and then down again as a wave 3. Yeah, could it be that the low is in here? We already have divergence. That's true, but we did not really break the RSI trend line here as a wave 4. So I would rather think that this was our wave 3 of 3, the strongest one. This is our wave 3, and that we now need an additional leg down before we can see a reaction to the upside. And if we look at the 15-minute, yeah, we are actually in an area from where we can expect upside. So if we take the length of our wave 1, the length of our wave 2, then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area from where we can expect a reaction. So yeah, I believe here one more leg down, and then we can see a corrective structure to the upside. This would be my main expectation. Is it a good idea to go long here? Yeah, can work, but you should know that you are trading against the main direction. Like for me now, it really looks like the WXY is playing out. So we are heading towards this area here, and so yeah, in this kind of downtrends, like we can have yeah, a good drop, for instance, as a wave 3 immediately, that our wave 2 is somewhere hidden here, that we did not really see it for now, and that yeah, that this area here I'm sorry, that this area here is just crushed. Can be this can happen if you trade against the main direction, but for now it looks like we will end an impulse here. We had yeah, the other side trend line slightly broke here. This could be our wave 4, and it looks like we will end with divergence. So at least I would take profit here, or some profit, because this starts to look like we might have some push to the upside. Not that it will change the trend. In my opinion, it will just be a corrective move to correct this impulse down here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.